Hi, I'm Mike Parkin, a technical marketing engineer here at Barracuda Networks, and your host for A Technical Moment. In this session, I want to talk about the user experience for someone inside an organization protected by Barracuda Essentials. As an end user, the experience is mostly transparent. The only thing most people notice is the reduction in spam and other unwanted email cluttering your inbox. That's what you'd expect from a world-class email security solution. Unless you're looking closely, though, you may not even realize the other things Barracuda is doing to protect you. If you look, you can see how link protection rewrites hyperlinks in emails. In fact, you may have even seen the warning page if you followed a link that turned out to be malicious. You may also see notifications when incoming emails are sent to quarantine if your mail administrator has that enabled, and possibly even logged into the user interface to deal with them yourself. That's all most users ever see. I talk more about link protection and quarantine management in another session, so let's take a look at what you'd see as a user. We'll start with an example email that was sent to one of my test accounts. Check out this link that was part of the email. Barracuda rewrote this link so it points to our link protection service so it can be checked at the time of click. Let's follow the link and see where we go. If this had been benign, I'd have gone right to the website. In this case, the link was malicious and we've been taken to a warning page that describes the threat and gives us a link to user education. Now let's jump over and take a look at the user quarantine. We have the email security service configured to send to users notifications when they have an email in the quarantine. You can set the frequency for these notifications separately, and the admin can even let the users configure it themselves. Here, you see the links that let a user log in directly to their own interface in Cloud Control, where they can manage their personal quarantine. Let's jump over there now. As I mentioned, users can set their own schedules, but I want to show you the message log. These are the most recent emails that the user has quarantined, showing you who they were sent to, who they came from, the subject, status, and why they were placed in quarantine. The UI defaults to showing the quarantine over the last 2 days, but I can select how I want to have the easy emails filtered, and by checking on them, I can even decide how I want to handle it. I have the option to mark it as spam or not, deliver it, delete it, whitelist it, or move it to one of the other categories. There's a lot a user can do here, and I have other sessions that go into more detail, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I'm Mike Parkin, and I've been your host for A Technical Moment. To learn more, visit us on the web at www.barracuda.com.